Welcome to our training on how to create and apply custom and catalog level pricing rules. If you have a professional selling plan, you can use the Automate Pricing tool to adjust your prices automatically. This helps your offers remain competitive within the price limits you set. In this video, we'll share how you can create a custom pricing rule and assign SKUs to it, or create a catalog level rule that applies to all your SKUs. You'll use the Pricing Rules page to create these rules. To get there, open the Seller Central main menu, hover over Pricing, and select Automate Pricing. The page is organized by the different types of rules you can create. When active, Automate Pricing will apply the rule to all your products in each of the stores you sell in. The rule will also apply to any new SKUs you add to your product catalog after the rule is activated. But we won't reprice SKUs that you've already assigned to other pricing rules. Predefined rules are set to match the featured offer price for offers with the same ASIN and condition. This rule will compare prices from retailers outside of Amazon too. With custom rules, you can choose to match, beat, or stay above the featured offer price or lowest price by a rand amount or percentage. To create a customized pricing rule, start on the Pricing Rule page and create a customized Automate Pricing rule. Select Create a Custom Pricing Rule and choose your preferred option from the drop-down menu. These rules define the time your price will change. Competitive Feature Offer allows you to set your price to remain below, match, or stay above the featured offer price. If the featured offer price changes, your price will change too, for as long as your rule is active. If your product becomes the featured offer, your price will remain at that value. Competitive Lowest Price allows you to set your price to remain below, match, or stay above the lowest price. After your product has achieved the lowest price rule, Automate Pricing will compare your price to the one priced just above yours. This means your price may increase, provided that it's still the lowest offer for that product. Competitive External Price is like the featured offer and lowest price rules, but only adjusts prices based on how retailers outside of Amazon price the product. As a reminder, pricing competitively compared to the prices set by retailers outside of the Amazon store can help increase your chance of becoming the featured offer. Remember, this excludes Amazon retail offers. You can create your rule for each of the stores in which you sell. If you're not sure whether you'd like to apply the same rules across more than one store, choose the one you had in mind for now. You can add the rule to more stores after you create it. You can also choose the reference price for Automate Pricing. You can set your price to a specific rand amount or percentage above, below, or equal to that reference price. Here's an example. You select Competitive Featured Offer and set your price to stay 10 rand below the featured offer price. Automate Pricing will lower your price every time the featured offer price decreases, but only within the minimum threshold you've set. Based on the rules you've set, if the featured offer price of your item is 250 rand and another seller lowers their price to 245 rand to win the featured offer, Automate Pricing will lower your price to 235 rand, 10 rand below the featured offer price. You can think of rule parameters as bumpers. You'll use them to let Automate Pricing adjust your prices based on the rules you've set, but only within a certain price range. Use the drop-down menu to choose if you want to stay above, below, or at the reference price you selected for your rule. Then enter a rand amount or percentage to adjust your prices. You can enter any valid minimum value and any maximum value up to 90%. Maximum values are optional. If you don't set one, Automate Pricing will help protect customer trust on your behalf by ensuring your offers aren't priced significantly higher than recent prices. Use the section's filters to select whether you'd like to compare your price to all offers in the Amazon store for the same ASIN and condition, or only offers with the same fulfillment method, or only offers from other third-party sellers, which excludes Amazon retail offers. Choose whether you'd like to continue using this price rule if you update your prices elsewhere. For example, if you've applied a SKU to this rule and later use the Manage Inventory page in Seller Central to set a new price, selecting Yes, I want to continue repricing will allow the tool to continue repricing. Keep in mind that Automate Pricing will apply the rule using your new price. If you selected this rule to apply to more than one store, you'll define rule parameters for each one. After you've selected your rule parameters, give your rule a short descriptive name. Then click Save and Exit. You can now enroll SKUs one by one using the drop-down menus in the Action column or in bulk by selecting a group of SKUs using the checkboxes to the left of each SKU and clicking the Bulk Action drop-down menu. Select Start Repricing in the pop-up, and Automate Pricing will reprice your SKUs and your rule will appear on the Automate Pricing page. This concludes our training on how to create and apply custom and catalog level pricing rules.